Hello all. Have you ever seen a single plant blooming a flowers of different colors, or have you ever tried of making them? Let me know in the comments. Okay.
Welcome back to my channel Luma's Learning.
In today's video, we'll see the complete process of grafting. There are many different types of grafting processes. In today's video, we'll see the complete process of wedge grafting. Okay, and before who still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and let's get into the video.
Firstly, I just want to raise a question. What is grafting? If you are aware of this, let me know in the comment section. Okay, see, grafting is a horticultural technique used to join parts from two or more plants so that they appear to grow as a single plant. Have you understood? See, instead of buying these artificial flowers, trees, etc., you can try this grafting process at your home so that a single plant can bloom a different colors of flowers. Okay, and which is the best season for grafting? See, best time for grafting is in the spring, just as growth starts, and can be performed only at very specific times when weather and plant growth are both optimum. Okay, see, as I have said you, there are many different types of grafting processes, right? Now we'll clearly see how wedge grafting is done. See, here is the tree which I want to join to the other plant. First select the plant. See, here I have selected the same flower species of different color. I don't know whether it can be done on flowers of different species or not. And I'm gonna join this yellow flower scion with red color plant. Now let's see the process. First, take one proper stem of particular plant which you wanted to join. Select the end and make it slightly thin with your knife. Okay, see, that should be very slight, very thin. So you can see how thin it appears, and keep this aside. And next, select the plant which you wanted to join with. Select the stem and cut it out, throw it away, and take the stem you wanted to join with and cut the scion into two halves, which I have been showing there, right? Make it into two halves, not approximately, and make sure that you cut little deeper so that it can stay strongly when you put the scion into it. Okay, now the scion which you have selected should be inserted in between the stem of this particular plant, and after that take one polythene cover and tie it tightly. And cut the part which remains above the polythene cover. Okay, and this is the complete process of wedge grafting. And see, I will show you the successful grafting which we have done before. You can observe that the stem which is slowly merging into the stem of that particular plant, right? And I'm sure it gives you beautiful flowers. So try it at your homes too. Okay, I hope you all understood. See, as you can see here, a single plant blooming flowers of different colors, right? You can try with other colors too. Okay, I hope you all understood very clearly, and if you are having any doubts regarding this, please let me know in the comments, and Share the video with your friends and loved ones so that they can also try it, and subscribe to my channel Luma's Learning. Thank you so much.